My name is Olivia Boothe, and I'm reporting that on July 10, 2026, Angelina Roman Moore from the WFG mission team committed to educating Courage Coach Jess's youth-led marketing team on financial literacy. Last week, I learned that investing at a young age is an important part of building a future. I believe that the youth should have this kind of awareness because investing in your future early isn't something that is emphasized while you're young, and oftentimes we're told to go to college and pursue a career, but we're not told what to do with that money when we are eventually in our future careers. This is why I'm inviting you to our Faith and Finances webinar, July 23rd, 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. Come and learn about what to do with your money and how to make it grow in Jesus' name. My name is youth-led marketer Olivia Boothe, and I'm reporting for Courage Coach Jess's Ministry News. Thank you so much.